Hi, welcome to Ucan 2 Financial Solutions Training videos. This is going to be a series of videos in which we're going to go through some of the main tools that we are going to be using for the new Ucan 2 back office and Ucan 2 backend and also Ucan 2 front end. In other words, we're going to see what the users do, what we should do as far as the staff and corporate office uh, in handling everything, all the data, all the users. And also, we're going to go through some of the things that the IBOs will be using, some of the tools, like how they're going to invite their own users to get into the system and then get a commission for that. So let me go through some of the main things. This is gonna be a little bit fast. I hope that you guys keep up. You know that you can also rewind and kind of like look back on the things that we're gonna be doing here. But obviously, if you have any questions, we're gonna have a space in which you're gonna be able to ask any questions that you may have. So my name is Ivan Lemus. I am from a company called Lemus y del Valle Inbound Marketing Services, and we have been working with Harmik and Mario Pinzon doing the redesign of this whole company, or I mean the systems, obviously, and it's been a pleasure working with you guys. So please go ahead and take a look at these instructional videos and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to begin with is the email. I have created an email address for Ucan 2, and the reason I am showing you this is so you know that this ucan2ncs at gmail.com address is the one that we're going to get all the information on the activity of the users and the activity of the IBOs. So we're going to be switching back and forth from the different screens here, but this is going to be one of the screens that we're going to be looking at. It's actually my email client program that I use here with my Mac. And we're also going to be using several email accounts that I own, because I want to show you what the users are actually going to get as far as emails. So I'm going to use my Apple account, my Yahoo account, my Hotmail account, and my Google account. So nothing secret here, so don't it's not that I have to like blur something here because of emails that I have now. You're just peeking into my email now. The other tool that we're going to be using is Safari. Safari is a web browser, and in Safari we're going to have here the back end. This is to show you what's going on behind. This is my WordPress access here, my WordPress system, the one that the staff is going to be using. And here's where we have the systems that we have already configured, like the memberships and also the affiliate system, which is where the IBOs are going to be registered at. The next tool we're going to be using is Chrome. Chrome is also another web browser, and the reason that I use different web browsers is so I can have different access or different levels of access into the same system. And in this case, Chrome is going to be my IBO system, right? This is where I'm going to log in as an IBO and I'm going to see what's going on. And finally, we're going to use Firefox. Firefox is another web browser, and this one has the capability also to have. So I don't have the history here. So everything that goes on here in my Firefox gets renewed, gets deleted, I don't record any history. So in other words, this is totally live, you know, so I don't have any cache here. So whatever is going on here is whatever it's the system throwing at me, or the server throwing at me in this Firefox browser. And this is where we're going to begin, actually, because this is where the users are going to get in, you know, they're going to sign up and do pretty much everything here. Okay, so those are the main tools. On the next video, we're going to go through the registration process for any user that comes into the website. Obviously, we would encourage the ideas to have the users come into the websites through a referral link that we're going to be looking at later. But we're going to go through the registration process and everything, so you know how easy it's going to be now for the user to have their own account and everything that goes on there. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and see you later.